Because if your plants aren't mature by summer, you're probably not gonna get a harvest at all, okay? Because it's so hot. And a lot of these plants do not like our temperatures here, I guarantee you. And you'll find out very quickly that you can do everything right, and it's 95 degrees, and your plants are just like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I would rather die, and many times they do. And many times they do.
Welcome to Island Dream. My name is Kenya, co-owner of Island Dream Food Truck. We make and sell all the authentic Italian ice. It's made just like ice cream, but it's no dairy. We also have a store location inside of the Regency Square Mall, 9501 Arlington Expressway in the food court. Find us on Facebook and Instagram at Island Dream Food Truck, and you can find our truck and the store locations is Monday through Sunday, 12 to 7. Thank you.
This is NOOK Street Food Truck, and I am NOOK. We are out here at Earthworks, where you can come out here and get your gorgeous plants. Also, you can get food, and we have the food truck here, so we have different options of food, which we normally do serve. Wings, yum, how about that? Shrimp, po' boys, we have tacos, we have different other options also. You can follow us on Facebook, you can follow us on Instagram. We try to post our weekly schedule, so if you ever need us for any type of special events, catering, you can find us on any of the websites, or you can call at 904-608-6524. Also, we would like to give a thanks to all of our fans out there. We love you guys. You guys been doing a good job blessing us. Thank you for your support. Again, we love you guys. Thank you.
And we have a sip and shop the second Saturday of every month.